I'm Kathleen from Rockaway. We're here at the Jacksonville Arboretum this morning. We're starting a new project, which is the renovation of the pollinator garden. We're adding lots of new natives, butterfly plants, both for the larvae and the butterflies. So we're really going to expand what we've already got going and possibly remove quite a few plants that aren't natives. We really want to focus on our native butterflies. So welcome to the Arboretum. This is the main entrance of the Arboretum, and the pollinator garden is straight ahead. So now I'm inside the garden. This green edge lines the pathways temporarily. So we're going to take this line, we're going to undulate it a bit in a nice sweeping line to wrap this bed with another ground cover, sunshine mimosa, and a border of river rocks. And right ahead of me is the location for the new fountain. So this fountain is going to have a nice big bowl in the middle with the water spilling over and a nice spout. And then we've got the pathway circling around it. In the center, around the fountain, is going to be a bed of river rock. So this river rock is going to hold some moisture, which will provide a water source for the butterflies. They don't drink water, they drink off the rocks. Our guys have just arrived. We're going to start the construction. We're going to start with running the electrical and water. And then if you look down this way from the fountain, this is where you really capture the view of the fire pit area and the pond. It's an exciting connectivity here.